Welcome to Part 90 of Daily English. Today's situation. Social life review. Let's review what you've learned in Unit 9. Nice to meet you. Example. Nice to meet you. I hope we can be friends. Would you like to go out? Example. Would you like to go out this weekend? I'd love to. Example. I'd love to. Thanks for inviting me. I'm sorry, I can't make it. Example. I'm sorry, I can't make it because I already have plans. Happy birthday. Example. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful year. Welcome to the party. Example. Welcome to the party. Please come in. Thanks for having me. Example. Thanks for having me. I had a wonderful time. I recommend this movie. Example. I recommend this movie because it's exciting. What kind of music do you like? Example. What kind of music do you like the most? Mini conversation. Anna, nice to meet you. Would you like to go out this weekend? Ben, I'd love to. Thanks for inviting me. Anna, great. We can watch a movie and listen to some music afterward. Ben, that sounds wonderful. I'm looking forward to it. Anna, see you this weekend. Daily tip. Excellent job. You can now introduce yourself, make friends, invite people out, accept or politely decline invitations, celebrate birthdays, enjoy parties, visit friends' homes, and talk about movies and music. These everyday conversations will help you build confidence and connect with people in English. Speaking challenge. Imagine you meet a new friend at a birthday party. Introduce yourself, invite your new friend to watch a movie someday, talk about your favorite music, thank them for the conversation, and tell the complete story using at least 10 sentences. Congratulations on finishing Unit 9. Subscribe for Unit 10. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.